Hello friends, welcome to my new update video. Today I will solve a 2x is equal to 8 proportion 1. So we find out the value of x. Here we can write to the power twice x square by to the power x. Okay, and 8 by 1. We can write from here a to the power x by a to the power y is equal to a to the power x minus y. So we can write to the power twice x square minus x is equal to 8. Then we can write to the power twice x square minus x is equal to the power cube is equal to 8. Here we use a to the power x is equal to a to the power y is equal to x equal to y. Okay, so we can write 2x square minus x is equal to 3. Okay, then we can write to the power x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here is 2 and 3 multiplying is 6. Then we middle factor this minus 3x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, here is x is common and 2x minus 3 plus 1 is common and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3 is common. 2x minus 3 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can write 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x minus equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2, or x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. So the value of this equation is x equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, fine, thank you.